Welcome to We Sometimes RV with Scott and Joy. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day. The awning is not super dirty, but I'm going to try a new method that I saw on YouTube to get it clean. I don't know what the top looks like because I'm not up there, but we shall see. It calls for equal parts of Dawn liquid and bleach in a spray gun. So I'm going to try it out. I said spray gun, but I meant foam cannon. Okay, we've got the underneath sprayed. So now we're going to roll it up and wait 30 minutes. Well, I got up on the roof to spray off the awning, because I couldn't reach it being on the ground, which it really needs some cleaning. But you also see that the roof needs cleaning. So I'm gonna clean that and show what it looks like after. And hopefully this weekend I'm gonna do another video on cleaning the AC units. Well, I'd say that looks a little bit better. That took me about 30 minutes. I was planning to just clean the awning, and the awning turned into cleaning the roof. And I've already washed half the coach while the awning was soaking. So let's go down and take a look at what the awning looks like now. So instead of washing just the awning, which is what my original intent was, because I'm going to put up a light strip underneath, I ended up washing the whole RV and the roof. And Virgil, if you wanted to know how I did it, this is how. I haven't put the tire dressing on yet, but it's coming. I'm just waiting for the awning to dry. Put it up. A little bit of wind today, but not bad. Not bad enough to be concerned with it. This is the equipment that I use to wash the RV. See, this has a name on it somewhere. Okay. The Twinkle Star foam cannon. I got the Greenworks 1700 pressure washer from Lowe's. I did not use the hose that came with it. I used this hose here. It'll be down in the description. And I use this hog's hair brush. It's not the one I wanted to get, but it's a good hog's hair brush. It seems to be losing a lot of bristles, so it concerns me. I do use the wand, and I use either the 40 or the 25 tip when rinsing. I started off using this RV wash, and it doesn't foam well in the foam cannon, so I mix it, because I hate to waste things, so I mix it half and half with the Armor Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. So if you have any questions about how I did it, that's what I used. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified next time we have videos coming out. Leave your comments below and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great day.